I'm Shanon and I'm from Ireland. Just when I did my research, it just looked like a really fun and welcoming environment. Amazing. Everyone is so helpful, so supportive, and just it's a really good environment to learn and grow at. It doesn't matter what level that you're on, it just feels like really supportive. Food has been amazing. Everything is vegan, which I love, and the facilities have also been amazing. It's like a holiday and everything is just beautiful. Gone above and beyond. It's more than I could ever ask for. Just the people here and the friendships that you make, definitely. There's always like a staff member around, even at night time. So yeah, I always felt really safe. So nice to have the KYs and to know that you guys have gone through everything and you can reassure us that it's going to be okay. And the teachers are just so patient and helpful. So yes, amazing. Just do it. Take the leap of faith and just go for it. It's just such a good environment to learn. So you're never going to come to this place and leave worse. So just do it. Fun, challenging, but in a good way. Inspirational. I would recommend Sampoorna to my friends because it is the perfect place to go and grow and challenge yourself.